P.L.A.N is an acronym for Play, Learning, Arts, and Nurturing. Those are the 4 foundational pieces of what we do at Georgetown Hill. The P for play is incorporated into everything that we do. So the kids are engaged in playful activities that are thematic in nature over the course of the day. They are learning through play. They're exposed to all the rich early literacy, early science, early math, social studies, social emotional development through playful activities. For the learning piece, the L, we really focus on preparing them for kindergarten, so getting them ready for school and beyond. We use some of the Maryland Early Learning Guidelines and other resources to guide the learning pieces that we do. A is the arts. So Georgetown Hill focuses on giving kids all the tools that they need for self-expression. So giving them lots of exposure to different materials, different artistic techniques, letting them free-form, creatively express themselves in all different kinds of ways throughout the day. And then the N for nurturing is really the relationship building that the teachers and the children and the other adults do with the kids, and also nurturing their relationships with each other. So a lot of friendship building, positive role modeling on how to have positive peer interactions, and really forming a strong bond with their teachers and caregivers.